All right, so for a lot of these levels on while loops and farmer, we need to either remove a pile or fill in a hole. So remember, we can make this screen over here bigger by moving this little bar. Here I have a pile that's going to take me 1 scoop to remove. That's what that little 1 there is for. And I use this block of code, remove 1, to remove 1 scoop from that pile. We also need to fill in holes on while loops in farmer. So on this one, and now the reason I'm making this screen bigger is so I can see how many that is going to be. So this hole is going to take 5 scoops to fill in. So I'm going to use the fill 1 block to fill 1 shovel of dirt into that hole. So on the 6th level, that's the first place that I need to use my while loop. So if I scroll down here, I see it says while there's a pile, do. So when there's a pile, I'm going to remove dirt. While there's a hole, I am going to fill the hole in. So I have these 2 while loops, and later on you'll actually get into while there's a path ahead, and while there's a path ahead, we would use the move forward block. But on this specific one, there's a pile there, so I'm going to do while there's a pile remove, and I see here I have no idea how many shovelfuls it's going to take to remove that pile. That's why our while loop is necessary here, because no matter how many shovelfuls it takes, whether it's 3 or 300, our person's still going to remove 1 shovelful while there's a pile there. When the pile's gone, they will stop. So that's why we need to use a while loop on these levels, especially when I don't know how many shovelfuls it's going to take. If I do know how many shovelfuls it will take, I can still use my while loop, because it will still, while there's a pile there, it will still remove. Or if there's a hole there, it will still fill. On level 7, I can see that I don't know how many are in that pile, and there's 5 in the next pile. I don't know how many are in that pile, 5, and I don't know how many. Even though I don't know and I do know, for all of these, I can just use my while there's a pile, I'm going to remove, because it will work if there's 5, it'll work if there's an unknown. It will work for every single one of these piles. Level 9 begins the levels where I need to use my while path ahead loop. So while there's a path ahead, my character is going to move forward. They'll move forward all the way until they don't see a path, and then we need to let our character know what command we need to give them. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when we use that while path ahead move forward. So when I run this, we can see there's like a little sonar coming out of the character that's kind of detecting or sensing when there's no path. So while path ahead, they'll continue to move forward, but right there was no path ahead, so they stopped. Now, at this point, I need to put the other code in there to make my character do what needs to happen after they run out of a path. So good luck on these levels. These while loops really help out, because while something is happening, it will continue to do the command in there until that while condition is no longer true. Good luck.